Hey guys, Paulo's here. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create an instant avatar of your own. First, go to JoggAI and click the Get Started button. You'll be taken to the JoggAI product page. Click on the Avatar tab, and then hit Create Avatar to begin. Before you start, check out the tutorial guide on how to shoot your video. Watching this first will help ensure your video quality is top-notch. There's also a text version of the instructions available if you prefer reading. And now, let's get started. Step 1. Upload your footage. You can either use the video you've already recorded or record a new one using your webcam. For the best quality, I recommend uploading footage. Make sure your video meets the following requirements. Check the box to confirm and then proceed. Step 2. Authorize your video. You can choose your language here. Click Record with Webcam and record a brief video of yourself reading the provided script. This step takes less than 30 seconds. Once your consent is validated, click the Submit button. After your footage is uploaded, the creation process will now begin. You can monitor the progress here. When it's finished, you'll receive a notification email to let you know. And now your custom AI avatar is ready to use. You can select your own AI cloned avatar for content creation.